Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you all traveler scam chest locations in Windrose. It's pretty easy. In order to find the first chest, the process is very easy. You just need to come at the location and you're gonna see the first chest right here. So you can just open it and loot the items. Now in order to find the second chest, things get a bit confusing. Like all I have to do, look around. You're gonna find a tree which looks a bit different. Like you need to look for the tree which has cloth at the top. The location for this tree will be changed on your world, but as I said, you just need to look around and you're gonna find the tree which has cloth at the top. And once you find the tree, use a shovel, and by using the dig option you need to dig around. Now guys, keep in mind while digging you're gonna see white particles coming from the ground, and once you find those white particles you need to dig at that exact spot and eventually you're gonna find the chest. And yeah guys, this is the process to find all traveler scam chest locations in Windrose. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.